How to fix speaker not working problem on Moto G77. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification. After click on notification, click on do not disturb. Turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, so restart phone, just click on hot side power button and volume up button. Restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix speaker not working problem on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.